The most common type of damage that affects homes and businesses is water damage, and water can cause a lot of destruction in a very short period of time. Speed is key in the mitigation process, and we pride ourselves on our response time. The quicker we can get the mitigation process started, the less likelihood that secondary damage like mold or even rot could appear. We're here to help with water damages that affect 10 square feet to hundreds of thousands of square feet. We'll use top-of-the-line moisture meters and thermal imaging cameras to initially assess the damage, and then use state-of-the-art equipment to help dry the property. The relationship with the customer throughout a water damage is of the utmost importance. It's our goal to try to educate the customer about what's happened to their property, and then about our process to get their property back to the way it was before the damage.